we're going to discuss Newton's first law. Now, first of all, what does Newton's first law say? Well, it says that any object, right, will tend to persist. Let's write this down in its state of motion, okay, unless there is some net external force acting upon it. Now, what does this persist in its state of motion? Let's focus on that. First, this is essentially known as inertia. So you may have experienced inertia before. Objects tend to, you don't really want to change. For example, when you're sleeping and you want to wake up, you find it difficult to do that because you just don't want to change your state of motion. So a state of motion could be at rest, you could be moving at some velocity, and so you don't really want to change that. Basically, you could even think of state of motion as a velocity, right? You want to persist in your current velocity. So just recall that includes both your speed and also the direction. You want none of that to change. So Newton's first law, however, explains how you can break the inertia of an object. And that is if you can apply some net external force on it. And so, for example, a ball that is rolling at a certain speed will continue to roll at this velocity in the same direction unless you push it in some direction with some force. For example, if you do this, it will start to, of course, bend its path. However, if you exert a force here and there's another equal and opposite force balancing out, then there is no net external force and the ball will continue to move in its state of motion. So this is the idea of Newton's first law.